This is given, I got stuck in the rain and my silk presses went to Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by RPGHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this glueless install, okay, just know this is not clip-ins, it's not a sew-in, none of my natural hair is out. This whole entire thing on my head right now is a wig. Look, yeah, a wig. The whole thing is a wig. Listen. Call Daddy, Papa, Sugar Bae, and the Sneaky Link. Get them on the phone right now. Get money from each of them. So you can get this wig, because I'm telling you right now, this is gorgeous. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite installs of 2022. But before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I'm going to style this unit with y'all because this is my first time trying a unit with curly natural baby hair, and I'm really excited to try this. I want to make sure my ear tabs are going to be where they need to be. So let me scooch. Let me scoot up and bring my mirror closer because I want to make sure I can see. Okay, so I'm going to cut the ear tabs off. So when cutting the ear tabs, I'm just following my ear shape. You can definitely mark it on your head and then take it off and cut them. But I just cut it on my head because it's easier for me and it's, you know, less time, so. There we go with that. So I'm gonna put my glasses on for this part. I just wanna make sure it's where I need her to be. Ooh, this looks good. This looks good. Okay. I think I'm gonna do a little powder under here, just a little bit. It's already blended pretty much with the bleaching that comes on these knots, but I'm just gonna I wanna put a little bit of powder on here. I'm gonna use my 330, just a little bit. I'm gonna put it around my edges, just to make sure my edges are good. Put this back on. So of course, I'm going to use my mousse, okay? My 𝐒𝐿 Daily Edge Mousse, I'm gonna use that. I don't want it to be slick. I just want to lay the lace down. So not the edges. Let me blow dry that on cool. Now I'm gonna put my blow dryer on high heat and I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit straighter. Okay, there we go with that. Hold up. This is still a little bit too long on my ear. Let me get this out. Make sure my ends are good. They're a little scraggly, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the ends. I could definitely wear this joint. Ooh, on the side. I like on the side. On the side. I was like, wait a minute. I can definitely do a little side part. Ooh, it's an ample amount of lace. Okay, RPGHair, come on through, sis. When I'm talking about a part in space, this is, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so I need to tighten this down just a little bit. It does come with an elastic band, so I'm gonna put that on there just to see if it gives me a more snug fit, because I wanna make sure this is sitting on my head seamlessly, okay? Let me put on this other wig cap because that one got ripped. I'm gonna make it a little bit tighter like that because it stretches. So I'm gonna put it on. That's better. That's a lot better. Let me see what y'all seeing. Okay, I need to blend my lace in, so let me contour, contour. Where art thou? Here we go. Rub-a-dub-dub. I think we did it, y'all. I think we... This is giving, I got stuck in the rain and my silk press is vintage. I like it, y'all. Kenny, yep. Come look at this. First, before you start trying to critique something, it's supposed to look like natural hair blown out. No slick edges, no nothing. It's just supposed to look like this is my hair. So you know how my edges are like curly like? Again, you're not critiquing nothing. Okay. Let me see. What am I looking for now? You're not looking for nothing. That's your problem now. You're not looking for nothing. You're just telling me how it looks. Like, think about my natural hair, right? Mm-hmm. How my edges and stuff are. They look like this, right? Yeah. Yeah. That's the point of the wig. It's not supposed to be sleek. Are you saying mm-hmm? Nope. Okay. Looks good. Thank you. You're welcome. You better not be lying. I'm not. I've watched TV. Okay. He wanted to judge it so bad. Again, this is blended without, okay, without any type of glue around my edges. Okay, I'm just gonna brush some of this back. I can definitely pin it back like this. Let's do that. Let's do that because why not? A bobby pin and pin it down. There we go, there we go. I'm not even gonna put no powder in my parting space, so I feel like it looks pretty good how it is. This install was all about the hairline. I am here for this hairline. This looks, this looks so good. Let me back up. I feel like it looks good on me. You hear me? I feel like okay, the hairline is looking like my natural hairline. It looks like I went, like I said, it looks like I went and got a silk press and then got caught out in the rain and this is what I'm left with, but I'm not mad. Okay, I am not mad at this wig at all. It's a 13x6 HD lace clean bleach hairline. It has a fitted cap for a natural look. Everything about this wig is on point. I love it. Y'all, I can't complain about this wig whatsoever. Now, I don't know how this looks over here on the side. Let me put my glasses on. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Hold on, this one is too long. I don't want this one. I want to hold that there. There we go. This is the wig for you, okay? Now, it may not be in your price point, and that's okay. Go ahead and bookmark this video and save it for later, okay? Because RPG. I love this wig, y'all. I love this wig. This is definitely gonna be one of my favorite wigs of 2022. I'm calling it now. Y'all know how I feel about kinky straight, and kinky straight on me is a vibe. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. I mean, I can't complain about this wig. Y'all, is this my hair? This is definitely one of those wigs where I will forget that I'm wearing a wig and I'll probably jump my butt right in the water. When I say a top tier wig, the whole thing, it's a wig, y'all. Y'all, it's a wig. Clearly I'm flabbergasted. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to RPGHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.